Hi, I'm Brandy Conway, Vice President of Marketing for Greater Texas Credit Union. You've done your research and you've weighed all of your options and you've decided that a home equity loan is the best financial decision for you. So what now? Today I have with me Lisa Bateman. She is our AVP of Mortgage Services, and she's going to walk through the steps in order to apply for a loan with Greater Texas and the documentations that you'll need to do so. Hi, Lisa.
Hi, how are you today?
Good.
Good. First thing you'll need is you're going to need a loan application.
Okay.
You're going to need to actually sign the 12-day notice. You're going to need to sign the mortgage fraud warning, and you're going to need to provide the value of the property, the current estimated value.
Okay. So what is the 12-day notice?
The 12-day notice actually is the notice for extensions of credit, and it gives the member information about home equity laws, and it actually lets them know that they do have to wait 12 days, but once they apply, from when they can close the loan.
Okay. And what is the mortgage fraud warning?
The mortgage fraud warning lets them know that making any false claims on the application is actually illegal and can be punished by imprisonment.
Oh, wow. Okay. And where can a member find the estimated value of their property?
They can get that from their local county website.
Okay.
If they're not sure of that value.
Okay. Okay. So they've completed the application, they've supplied these 3 documents. What happens next in the loan process?
Once we've received all this information, what we'll do is review it, and if they qualify for the loan, we'll give them a loan estimate, and they'll receive that within 3 business days.
Okay, and what's on the loan estimate?
The loan estimate gives them the loan amount, the payment amount, the interest rate that they qualify for. It lists any closing costs that they have, and it gives them the amount that they can expect to get at closing.
Okay. And they actually have to accept the loan estimate similar to what they did when they got their actual home mortgage?
Yes. Once they get that loan estimate, they do need to go ahead and accept that.
Okay. So they've accepted the loan estimate, they've done the application, they've provided the documents. What else do they need to provide to complete the loan?
Once they've provided that, they'll need to also give us verification of income, tax returns, pay stubs. They'll also need to give us a copy of their current mortgage statement if they have it, a copy of their escrow statement if they have an escrow.
Okay.
They also need to give us a copy of their homeowner's insurance policy, a copy of their current deed, and a copy of their current tax statement.
Okay. So this is a lot of documentation. As a loan officer, do you help guide the member through the process of maybe where they can find some of this information if they're a little unsure as to where to get it?
Yes, most of that information actually can be found on their county website.
Okay.
So they can generally get a copy of their deed, they can get a copy of their tax statement, and they can get a copy of their appraised value all on their county website.
Okay. So once you've received all the documentation, what is the time frame from that to approval and funding?
Depending on the loan, we can fund those in as little as 21 days.
Okay. And what's the max amount maybe? Could it go longer than 21
right.
days?
It depends on if they're going to need an appraisal and how long the appraisal takes. In rural areas, they can take longer.
Okay.
So it really does depend on how quickly they accept their loan estimate, how quickly they make decisions on, if they want to proceed, and how quickly we get the appraisal.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you found this information as beneficial as I did. If you'd like to learn more about the home equity loan programs at Greater Texas, visit us online at gtfcu.org.